My name is Sneaker Notes, and I have a KITH problem. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, man. You know all the stuff the YouTubers say, just do it for me, please. Really helps the channel. But today, I'm going to give y'all a little review of the KITH for the New York Knicks collab that dropped last Monday. This part of the video here is a segment that I used to call streetwear pickups for the week, but I changed it to flash notes. Yeah, it sounds better, don't it? This is where I just show y'all some things that's going on in the streetwear and the sneaker community that doesn't really need a whole video, just a whole bunch of things wrapped in one. So let's start with the KITH for New York Knicks collab. Whole bunch of stuff, guys. Whole bunch of fire, may I add. The prices I just felt like was too high. So like jackets, I really wanted the jacket, the off-white starter looking one. I'm gonna go back and get it. As you can see, it's not sold out. That's one I definitely want to go get back. The coats I'm okay with. I really ain't into a New York Knicks coat. I only cop 2 items because I'm not a New York Knicks fan. I'm a Laker fan. But I do live in New York, so I do try to rep whenever I can, as long as they not playing the Lakers. But you can see all the gear there. But y'all already know when it comes to KITH, man, I do my thing. This is the KITH for the wire tee. This was a dope collab, man. I really liked it. R.I.P. to my guy, man. Let me know if y'all like the wire better than power. I know that's a lot of stuff, man. Let me know in the comment section below. And to show y'all one more, this is KITH for the beautiful Aaliyah, man. R.I.P. to Aaliyah. Also, man, gone too soon. But yeah, when it comes to KITH, you're in the right place. So this right here is the KITH New York Knicks Retro Vintage Tee in a black colorway. I remember when KITH Monday program used to come in a white joint with the time clock on it. They don't do that no more. That was dope, man. So let's get into this tee. Okay. One thing I love about the KITH Monday program collabs is that wash black look, man. That stone wash look. So you got the NBA basketball, of course, with the KITH logo on top. That's actually the Knicks logo, but instead of saying Knicks, it says KITH. This is dope, man. It looks true to size, but the material, man, this is so soft, guys. So on the front, you get that. The tag also has the Knicks logo with the KITH mixed in it. Dope. Nothing's on the back, guys. But this just looks like a vintage tee out the gate. And I know you guys are into them vintage tees now. This was my favorite tee, so I went for this one first. But if you look at this one here, it has the Madison Square Garden sign on the top. I'm going back for that one also. It's not sold out. Hopefully they got a medium. But this is the black joint here. Next up is the basketball shorts. And if you watch the channel, if you don't, that's cool too. You stick around, trust me. If you watch the channel, y'all know I'm into basketball shorts. Preferably Mitchell & Ness, the throwback joints. So when I saw this, I had to cop, man. And it has that thick Mitchell & Ness. Did Mitchell & Ness? Mitchell & Ness had to make this. It's the same feel, guys. Yes, same Mitchell & Ness feel. I knew it, guys. Hardwood classic. Got the Knicks colors, the black, the orange, the black, the black, the orange, the black, the black, the orange, the blue. Big KITH logo on the side, guys, where the New York Knicks logo would be. Got the silver in it too, making it shine a little bit. That's the right side. Let's see if it's on both sides. It is not on both sides, but on the other side, you do get that NBA style slit right there. Nice look, man. The waistline reads New York with KITH at the bottom. It's a dope look, man. I think I paid $150 for this. The price is not here, but yeah, I'm quite sure it was $150. But if you look on the website again, they had some other shorts, and you see the price for them other shorts. And when I clicked it, I'm like, why these shorts cost so much when these are the official NBA joints? They're leather, guys. I knew it had to be something. They leather. I'm not into wearing leather shorts. If you are, thoughts and prayers, guys. But this is the ones that I wanted, and they came super dope, man. $150. The shirt I showed y'all, $70, $10 tax, $80. And that's the New York Knicks for KITH collab that I copped. Something else I copped in the flash note is the, I was about to say Cactus Jack, is the Market NBA collab. And y'all know I went with the Lakers. Very thick. This is good material, guys. Very, very good material, man. Feels like the Yeezy Perfect hoodie a little bit, man. But you got the LA logo there with the palm trees, and if you can see, the it's made to look like it's fading away. So you see the paint is coming off the L, the paint is coming off the A. I like that look. On the back, it gets busy, man. You get the huge Los Angeles, the highway sign, a Hollywood car, Laker logo, like a Laker beach ball, another palm tree, a jersey. I wish that was a Kobe jersey, but it ain't. Dope look, man. I think I paid $100 for the hoodie. It has an NBA store tag, so you know it's an official collab. But I got mine from Fanatics, actually. When I went to the Market website, they were sold out. But good thing is they're back in stock with more teams and more sizes. There go there, NBA Market joint. It's a good look, guys. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Real quick news, because this is the flash notes. Don't want to make it a long video. The Powerpuff Nike SBs are coming. It's a real thing. It's official. Let me know in the comment section below which ones y'all rather go with. Like, what's your best colorway? Me as a man, I shouldn't be so excited about Powerpuff sneakers. But classic 90s cartoon, and y'all know I love SBs. And speaking of SBs and things that I like, KNICKS. My friends at KNICKS, man. This is a heavy box. Y'all see it, right? They sent me something new. So I'm going to change from these and upgrade to these. So look out for that video. Also, while I'm doing that, I'm going to give away 10 of these KNICKS crates. So just make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like it. In the next video, I'm going to tell y'all to give away, but I'm going to give away 10 of these. 10 of y'all will have at least one KNICKS crate for Christmas. I know it's not much, but I'm just trying to help the people who help me. Like I said, I'm upgrading to these. Depending on how long this takes, the giveaway will start. So make sure you stay here. I'm telling you, we going to get it together. So that's going to be dope, man. Again, quick video, man. Please hit like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more fire. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.